Okay, so here we have a very deeply recessed porch. It's kind of like an alcove. It doesn't get a lot of light. This makes for a very wide difference between the darkest area of the photo and the brightest area of the photo. So I'm going to apply one of my presets and start bringing up the exposure, and with the highlights all the way down and the shadows all the way up, it's still way too dark on the inside here. I'm going to get out the adjustment brush and fix this. So I'm going to set the flow to 100. Let's go to around 7 on the feather, and on these vertical lines I'm going to click down on the mouse, then hold shift, and that way you can draw perfectly straight lines in Lightroom. Might even go over a little bit more. That's looking good. Do the other side. Then I want to work on this ceiling. Doesn't have to be perfect. Once you zoom out, it'll be hard to tell. But if you want to get it just right, you can go back and use the erase brush for any spots that you went over. It's looking pretty good. And then I'm just going to fill in the rest of this porch here with my brush. I'm going to take care of the top of this. So let's actually try to turn on auto masking, see if we can maybe brighten this up really nicely. We're not going to worry about the bottom part too much, and I'll show you why here in a second, but that's looking pretty good. So I'm going to turn auto mask off, zoom out, then I'm going to set my feather all the way up to 100. Let's turn the flow up actually a little bit more, and we're just going to blend the porch with the rest of the pool area by moving the brush back and forth. And it's a little warm though, so I'm going to adjust the white balance a smidge. Okay, yeah, I would say that's pretty good. If we turn off the brush, yeah, way too dark. So that's looking pretty good. So if you want to use some of the presets that I use, I have a few different ones for the outside and several different ones for the interior of homes. You can check those out in the description below. Otherwise, I hope this video helped. Thanks.